I'm a dreamer, but my heart's of gold. I had to run way high, so I would come home low. Just when things went right, doesn't mean they were hard. Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. Wednesday, December 17th, right around 10:45. This is my second video. The first one didn't have audio, so I had to redo it. And I had a live trade right here on UVXY that I did for you live. Shorted it at 31.30 for an entry. Filled 31.35 just for an entry. Then we got more at 55. I have room for 9,000 more because I'm filled on 1,000. Got filled at 31.77 on 1,000, another 1,000 at 87 with an average of 71, and we covered 31.55 and 45. It was an amazing scale in with buying power and patience at 100%. Let me show you what we've done in the room today. 12:17, it's 10 a.m. from the 10 trades we've done in PWE, which was the trade of the day, NVG and UVXY. This was my second poll. Some people have already left, but 10 hit the goal 2-3 times, and everybody's really trading well. Let me show you here. Trader click, 2 Gs, sweet on the UVXY. Iceman, 510. Gary, a hunch. Hammer laying it down, 225. Terry, 475. Allen, 13 hunch. Rambo, great day. Pete, great day. And Pez, great day. Chiz, you're a young stud, 893, killing it every day, making a G. Colin, also a young guy, $4,200 in a day. People make that in a month. AJ, a G, running a nice business you are. Bohan, running a couple of nice businesses you are. So UVXY total breakdown would have really liked to have shown you that trade and what we were doing with it. What I'll look to do right now, though, is I'll give you a trade. If this bounces off 930 and under, Mojo will be starting to buy. Not right here because it's a no-buy zone, but if it goes down to 930 and starts to tick around there, we'll start to scale in, so you may catch a live one right here. You got to have patience and wait for it. 934 is not a buy. 35 or 36 is not a buy. PWE trade of the day. Let me show you right here, and I'll do the day trading log for the day. Nugget long entry at the open 945, filled 935 as a scale, entry 2 filled, and we're taking a nickel at 945 plus. Trade 1 right here, 943 to 48, mini Hines done. PWE trend trade number 2 at 203 for a target of around 215. Let me show you how this one panned out. PWE trend trade at 920. We're going to buy the open, buy the first dip, sell to 215, which is the target worst case. Average PWE at 935 is 203. We bought at the low. We're going to sell at the high. NVGN average 385. There's the dip at 199 on PWE. NVGN 385 sold 391. Done. That trade's logged in. PWE was from 203 to 213. It's 222 now. NVGN 385 to 91 off a stopping station. UVXY short right here at 31. Got done on an average of about 30.87 to 30.90. Okay, covering UVXY for 30 cents. So let's get that recorded. Nugget made a nice bounce back to 45. And UVXY made a tremendous drop. So UVXY shorted there. Sell half. PWE sold Doom. Rebuying off the stopping station on Novagen at 373. Sold 379. Made 6 cents on that one. This stock from 379, it's like 330 now. Got crushed. Novagen, where is it? 328. That's why you take profits when they're there. PWE is ripping to a new high. Nugget just went through 50. Just bouncing all over the place, these things. You got to sell right here at 955 that you bought here at 35.40, and that's how you trade. Make the surges on the way up, sell it, buy the dips on the way down on these strong stocks that are up 40 cents and 50 cents with big favor going into it. UVXY made 26 cents on that shorty instead of 30. Okay, Nugget, you just saw it at 950. We buy those dips. Entry here 918 to 20. The next one's 24 or 07. Nugget was selling it at 30, sold at 31. Great job on Nugget from 20, 22 to 31. So we sold Nugget at 31, made a little bit of that. Shorty on UVXY was great. We covered. It dropped another 60 cents after that. Sold Nugget 932 and 935. Very nice on Nugget. PWE average is 201. Bought that dip at 199. First one was 203. There's your 201. What we did also is we added a 205 on that squeeze, so we had a very nice position through the trade. Great job on Nugget. 940 should be flat. New high on PWE, selling PWE at 212 out of half. Great job on PWE. Scaled into Nugget like a champ. UVXY short average 30.77, covering right now at 30.47 for another 30. So these two UVXYs are really nice short sales. One made 26 and one made 30. Okay, now PWE is fantastic. We're going to play plug, and we're only going to make a little bit on plug. Plug only went to 82. Didn't really make a big move, but we had a great print, so we couldn't lose on that one. That was a stopping station. And then UVXY right here was the one we did live at 31.30. On my last video, had room for 9 more, filled 31.77, 87, had an average of 31.71, and covered up at 51 average. So you could see trading this thing, it's all over the place between 30.60 and 31.60, doing really nice clipping 20-cent bangers off of it. Let's take a look where we're at right now. Nugget made a sick run up to 970 off that bounce in the beginning of the video from 935 off that stopping station. Really, really nice. Plug's just doing nothing. Sell it if you want. After you sell it, it'll probably move. The volume's just too low on it today. And the market's up 84. UVXY is up here at 30. It just made a dip. No trade in it right now. And that's really it for the day. So it's an amazing scaling and buying power and patience. Great day. And real proud of all the traders. And thanks it. Reached the goal with Nugget. Sweet with everybody. And we're all good for today. Everybody good? This is what I usually do right here at the end of the day. So I put out this little message right here as the end of the day romp. And Mojo traders, there are 20 days to trade every month. 18 out of the 20, we're done trading by 11, even 10. First 7 or 8 trades, that's it. Today we're done, not at 1, but we're done at 10:30, 10. Today we hit our goals, therefore trading is over. The rooms are going to stay open, but no trades are going to be called out, and the room will close at 4. We conduct trading as a business. Mojo does not trade to have fun. We wait for trades to present themselves. When you push trading, you get burned. We like high probability trades with aggressive scores. Scoring a few times a day is enough for your account to add up and grow by leaps and bounds. It's a marathon and not a sprint. And if you see it that way, you'll be in for the big picture. We're done. I'll see you tomorrow. Pro Trader Mike signing off. And that's how it's done.
Just one more night, and I'm coming on this long and winding road.
Hey everybody, this day trading room, you hear me live talking through the trades while we're in them. This is a mini snapshot of my desktop screen share. It actually blows up in this whole window that you're able to see this actual trading right here that you see. Everything that you see here on my platform, you also get to see live as I'm talking, so you're trading like right over my shoulder. A lot of the other trading rooms are trying to show what a big advantage that is, and they're charging like crazy fees and subscriptions in order for you to do that. But I've had that as part of my service ever since I've started. So people are finally starting to catch on, do that, and they think it's an extra big bonus that they could charge for. But that's what I want you to do. I want you to learn. I want you to see. I want you to make money and be here for a long time. It's not about the $49 trial or the $99 a month. I have a lot of excellent traders that have been with me for since I've started 2 years. They'll be with me forever. And as I make money day trading, my account grows by leaps and bounds. And as the room grows, it's a good business. And it's good to have a business because once you're done for the day at 10 o'clock, what are you going to do? You can be a realtor, do some home loans. You could be a banker, do some banking deals. You can own a side business, work on that. It's just a great opportunity. And that's what we look to do. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Keep it profitable, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.